Sorry, man.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm
Oh, this is for Stephenson.
for northeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Salisbury, or 11 miles south of Darlington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Warren, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Nora, Wadhams Grove, Canyon Camp, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Apple River Canyon State Park, Apple Canyon Lake, Joe Davies County Fairgrounds, and McConnell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Oh, now they had sturdy. What happened to the old days of the messages with the console replacement system? Whoa, double header! Another SVR? Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
George, why?
But I like
The
thunderstorms.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern and southern Ogle County in north central Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
What the?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Oregon around 5:25 p.m. Stillman Valley around 5:35 p.m. Rochelle and Hillcrest around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Creston and Davis Junction,
Damn.
including the following
Damn,
interstates:
double header.
Interstate 39 between mile markers 97 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 75 and 82.
Whoa.
This includes Central Rock State Park. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building.
Let me go.
Stay away from windows.
Why do you have to interrupt me at such a time?
Severe